Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our lesson today is about Iqlab, which is another rule of the Noon Sakina and Tanween. When the letter Ba comes immediately after the Noon Sakina or Tanween, the Noon sound at the Ba is switched with a hidden Mim with Gunna. An example of this is
من بعد.
Here we have a Noon Sakina followed by the letter Ba. We switch the Noon Sakina for a hidden Mim with Gunna. We hide the Mim, just like we learned in previous lessons about the rules of Mim. We don't separate our lips when pronouncing the Mim.
من بعد.
And we don't press them together either.
من بعد.
The correct way is
من بعد. من بعد.
Another example is
من بخل. من بخل.
Here we have a Noon Sakina followed by the letter Ba. We switch the Noon Sakina for a hidden Mim with Gunna when pronouncing it with the Ba.
من بخل.
The rule of qalb can occur both between two words and within a single word. One example of qalb within a single word is
بذنبهم. بذنبهم.
Here we have a Noon Sakina followed by a Ba in the same word. We switch the Noon Sakina for a hidden Mim with Gunna while pronouncing it with the Ba.
بذنبهم. بذنبهم.
Another example is
إذ انبعث. إذ انبعث.
There are also many examples of qalb with tanween in the Quran. Among them,
كرام بررة. كرام بررة.
here we have a tanween kasr followed by the letter Ba. We switch the tanween for a hidden Mim with Gunna at the Ba.
كرام بررة.
Another example,
حل بهذا. حل بهذا.
here we have the tanween dam followed by the letter Ba. We switch the tanween for a hidden Mim with Gunna at the Ba.
حل بهذا.
Another example,
لنسفعا بالناصية. لنسفعا بالناصية.
here we have tanween fath followed by the letter Ba. We switch the tanween for a hidden Mim with Gunna at the Ba.
لنسفعا بالناصية.
The symbol for qalb in the Mus'haf. The symbol for qalb of the Noon Sakina in the Mus'haf is to place a small Mim above the Noon instead of a Sukun. And the symbol for qalb of the Tanween is to replace the second harakah of the Tanween with a small Mim, like this. Pay close attention. The small Mim that symbolizes qalb in the Mus'haf looks like this. This Mim, however, is a symbol of waqf, or stopping. We will explain the symbols of waqf in later videos, insha'Allah. Barakallahu bikum. You've lit up the sky with 6 stars.